Hey y'all, welcome back to another adventure in griddling. Today we are doing bacon and smoked gouda chicken burgers. We'll see how that turns out. And we can't use just a regular bun. Heavens no. We're going with donuts. I already split them in half. They're ready to go. I'm not using any seasoning because between bacon, smoked gouda, chicken, and sugar, I don't think you really need much seasoning. Am I right? Am I right? That's the way I see it. Got it turned down to medium low. I didn't bother with any oil or anything. The griddle is well seasoned, so we'll see how this turns out. It looks like you're at a different angle, it's because you're at a different angle. I bought me a fancy new tripod since my dollar store one broke. So far, I like it. Maybe a little harder to move around compared to the little one. I could tilt this whole thing. Look, extreme close-up. Ah. Okay, doesn't have the same effect. Probably have to pick up the whole kit and caboodle and hope that all my clamps are tightened down. It's got like 10 screws to tighten and loosen. It's got one of those cameraman bars so I can do 360 panoramic, smooth, scrolling, whatever. Grill feels good today. The heat. Because this morning I woke up and we were in a cloud again, which basically was, excuse me while I throw Baja balls, but you can't see from this angle. I may have to try to rearrange things in the future. But yeah, it was like 155% humidity this morning because just you step out the door and everything's dripping. The windows were dripping, the house was dripping, I was dripping, the griddle was dripping. See? Did you see that? It's dripping right now. It's dripping on the griddle. Which made me glad that I had the hard cover and the soft cover. It's starting to smell like it's done. I think these were made to microwave or something. Baja, don't move my camera. She likes to put the ball where you can see it, which is basically under the camera at this point. Okay. We're going to assume those are done. Now, I could have the sugar melt all over the donut. Or I could do that. Drop that on. Drop that on. Drop half. Add a thing. So we're going to have upside down donut. Do you like a piece? There's a sticky. They're kind of, they're not Dunkin' Donuts or anything, but I think they're perfect for our purposes. Oh, look at that, y'all. Oh. I think we'll turn this off and let the ambient heat finish cooking. But look, oh man, look at, I want to cook all my donuts on the griddle now. You ready? Let's look at that. Does that just make your tongue slap your brains out or what? Holy cow. Okay, let's move you around here a little. In fact, let's let you... Oh, not too far. Settle down, settle down. I'll let you enjoy the view if I can get the screws. Ah. Once I set it, it likes to move just a little. Okay, that's bothering me. Oh, where'd you go? Stop that. It's even got levels on it to tell me when it's level. Okay, I'll squat or something. I think we're done. Let's say it's done. Oh. Okay, that one was too cooked. Can you see it? Can you see it? I can't see it. Stick through here. Let's ooh, it's hot and gooey. Slice one in half because we can. This one came out perfect. Look at that. Ooh. Yummy. I hope. Let's find out. My mouth is getting assaulted with all these flavors. Bacon. Special. Sorry, that's a peacock. We have about a flock of about 30 peacocks in the neighborhood. That's one of them fussing at somebody or something. Anyway, bacon and gouda and sugar and this is better than I ever expected. We have a winner. So, if you're ever thinking of bacon and smoked gouda chicken burgers on glazed donut buns, go for it, y'all. This is good. Thanks for watching, and that's a wrap.